Okay, today we're going to take a look at a pretty good little Zippo. Now Zippo seems to have gotten on the bandwagon with the Fireball brand. And here's another one. The label is a little sloppy, so I think it's been relabeled. But it is a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. So here is the Fireball Zippo, and it's got its own insert. You can see right there, Fireball Zippo. So here is the new one. It's on a red matte finish. And it also says Ignite the Night. Now this was made in C of 19, which is March. It's about a year ago. Good sound on a steel insert, lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this flaming Fireball. That was a fail. Let's try it one more time. Okay, so the Fireball stays lit the second time around. I do have a few other Zippo Fireballs, which are really nice. Let's take a fast look at those. And the Fireball definitely deserves some real cowbell, not this air cowbell I've heard about. Knuckle bomb.